So today is, wow, today's gonna be a freaking crazy day. I don't know how this is gonna work. There's so many things going. It's 7:15 in the morning right now, I should say. 7:15 Saturday morning. There's a huge sneaker event that I'm supposed to be like the guest appearance at. I feel weird saying that, but I mean, it's true. And I need to set up for that. I need to get a table ready for that. I need to get my merch over there. By the way, the merch is going to be coming very, very soon, boys and girls, for all you people online that can't buy it in Winnipeg today. And then on top of that, more pressingly, there is a pair of Jordan 1s that we need to get today. Now, you know me, I'm not going to miss out on a pair of Jordan 1s, but I also need to make sure this event is all set up. So I don't know how we're going to do that logistically. All the event stuff is going to be in tomorrow's video, so you guys will find out. This is going to be such a nightmare. Wow. I don't know what the hype is like for these Jordan 1s, so I figured, you know what, store opens up in 3 hours and 40 minutes. We should probably go to Livestock just to make sure there's not like some massive line. Okay, slight change of plans. There's literally no one outside the store. I mean, I know these don't resell for much, but I thought there'd be some hype. This makes things a lot easier. And instead of waiting, I mean, 3 hours and 40 minutes, the store opens up in 22 minutes. It's 10:38, and there's 7 or 8 people in line. I know there's not a lot of hype on these, but I mean, I thought these were still gonna sell out. Okay, so we're in Livestock. I also forgot to mention that they have another pair of Jordans dropping today, which is the Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3s. I don't know what the nickname is on these. I'm gonna call them the black and silvers because they're black and silver. The entire tongue's 3M, the swoosh is 3M, black Nike Air on the back. These are pretty fresh. I know people have like really fallen off the Tinkers and they don't really care about them like they used to on the first couple colorways. I think these are cool. I think these are, ooh, there's like gold eglets. I don't know how I feel about the gold and silver together. And also they're $265, which I guess is like basically regular Jordan retro price. I think it's $255 or something. I don't even know. I haven't bought a pair of retro Jordans in a while. These are sick though. These are really cool. I like the 3M, but we're here for the Jordan 1s. Okay, we got them. Size 12. There was, I mean, only like 8 people in line. Weirdest Jordan release of the year. Both like how the shoe looks and that it's like a sort of collaborative, like different Jordan 1 that is not selling out. I mean, they have like lots of pairs there and there's 8 people in line. This is weird. I haven't seen these yet. Let's take a look at them. Okay. Wow, I am in a rush. I'm wearing my merch for the event. This will be coming very, very soon online if quantities remain, or you know what, I'll print up some more for you guys. If it sells well at the event, I'll print up some more for you guys. So this is gonna be available online next weekend, next Saturday, a week from now. You guys can grab your Feel Real merch. If you guys want some, we are gonna be pumping that up. I mean, like, you're gonna hear about it and know exactly where to buy it over the next week. This pair of shoes though, weirdest Jordan release of the year. I mean, like, it's supposed to be like a special Jordan 1 as we talked about, but I mean, no one wants it at all, apparently. And I haven't seen these yet, and they look so strange. I don't know if I like these, I should say. I really don't know if I like these. Let's investigate these a little bit more. Wow. Okay, so my favorite part about this, actually I'll save my favorite part about this. Let's take a look at the materials and everything. So the first thing that I really don't like, leather tongue. I hate the leather tongue. I know some people really like it because it gives it a more luxury look and all that good stuff. I think it makes it look worse. I think it makes it look less interesting. I think it makes it look less cool. And I just prefer the regular nylon tongue. I don't think it sits as well. I don't think it has the best shape compared to some other ones. The white leather on these is really, oh wow, the leather on these is superb. I mean, like, they jumped up the price tag, $20. Definitely you're getting your money's worth with the jumped up price tag. These things are great in terms of leather quality. Like really, really, wow. The white leather is freaking amazing. Like I've shattered backboards on my feet right now. I don't want to go that far as to call it shattered backboard leather, but I might honestly call this like shattered backboard leather on the, wow, these are good. It feels the exact same. The white feels the exact same on the toe box as the orange does on the toe box of the shattered backboards. Now, my favorite part about this shoe is that they took off the swoosh here, but then on the inside, they didn't take off the swoosh and left the yellow swoosh. But then on the right shoe, they took off the swoosh on both sides. So literally you're just left with that one yellow swoosh on the inside. I think that's so cool that 3 of the swooshes are missing and they left 1. These also sort of look like homeless guy shoes though, because the swooshes are missing. They also look sort of awesome though. I'm very torn as to how to feel about these. I really don't know, to be 100% honest with you. I think they look cool, but at the same time, I mean, I wish it was a nylon tongue. Clearly lots of people feel the same way as me, where they don't want to spend that money and fork it out on a shoe they're not sure how they feel about. I think it's a cool concept. I'm not sure if it was the best way they could have executed it. It does come with black laces inside, it comes with red laces and yellow laces. Every time I see red and yellow laces together, I don't know if it's just me, I immediately think of like Ronald McDonald shoes, because if you put yellow and red together on a pair of shoes, it just looks so McDonald's-y. I mean, like, this is very minimal with the red and yellow. It's just red stitching and half a yellow swoosh on one pair of the shoes. So it's not that big of a deal, but lots of shoes, you get yellow and red together, it immediately, like the Air Bacon. Have you seen the original Air Bacons? If you haven't, Google them right now. Nike Air Bacon, the original Miami Heat colorway. It's just a McDonald's shoe. It's red and yellow, and all I can see when I look at that is McDonald's every single time. So, you know, try and stray away from that when you're designing a shoe, but otherwise, I mean, this shoe looks freaking awesome. Pardon my messy desk, but I mean, here's some more close-ups of these things. I think they're really cool with the color blocking, but the color blocking once again is almost identical to the Gym Reds that came out a couple of weeks ago. So I understand if you bought the Gym Reds, you're probably not going to buy these unless you're just obsessed with Jordan 1s like me, because it's almost the exact same color blocking and it's almost the exact same shoe, minus the little swooshless torn off gimmick, which is not really a deal breaker or a deal maker for most people. It's just a little cool, oh, that's neat that they did that type of thing. I don't know if Jordan 1s are starting to become Yeezys in terms of just pumping out half-assed, uninspired colorways every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, just because people know that they want Jordan 1s. I hope that's not what Jordan 1s become. I love Jordan 1s. They're my favorite shoe, as we all know. I think these things are amazing. And I'm gonna keep on buying them, but I wanna get excited when I buy them. Like the UNC lows, those are coming out in August. And it's really funny actually, because those just got announced, and we were just talking about Jordan 1 lows in yesterday's video, the Travis Scott lows, about how we get 1 or 2 good Jordan lows a year. And the UNC ones are coming out later this year. That's the second good Jordan 1 low of the year, and I'm super excited for those. I mean, these are awesome. I just get way more excited for the classic colorways. I wanna hear what you guys think. Would you prefer these, or prefer a classic, timeless, bread shadow UNC black toe? Which one do you want? I think most people are gonna say these. I mean, what? No, I think most people are gonna say the classic, sorry. But I mean, this is unique. Maybe some people like something different that's not the same as all the other colorways, so I can see people wanting these as well. I'm not sure. You guys are gonna have to let me know down in the comments.